I'm hungry. All right, welcome back. So today it's going to be an easy one. We're just going to be doing a steak sandwich. We're going to just season it, put it in a baguette, and basically eat it. So we just have a potato here, and what we're going to do basically is we're just going to cut into it. And then we're going to be putting some holes into it. And then we're going to be putting it into the aluminum foil. And we're going to stab it some more. I think that should be enough. So let's season this now.